We couldn't be happier with everything in Malta over the past year. We, from our first visit here in March of 2016 to starting up the production now, everything has worked very, very smoothly.
Dan klim il-President ta' Crane Carrency, Anne-Marie Watson, fil-ftuħ uffiċjali tal-impjant tagħhom tal-istampar tal-flus f'pajjiżna. Attività li għalija attenda wkoll il-Prim Ministru li ltaqa' ma' wħud mit-300 ħaddiem li diġà qed tħaddem il-kumpanija u l-makkinarju state of the art li qed jintuża. Fabbrika li l-proċess biex twaqfet ħabis 52 ġimgħa u li fi kliem is-Sinjura Watson wasal bl-appoġġ ta' għadd ta' entitajiet fosthom il-Gvern u l-Malta Enterprise. Però din l-okkażjoni mhux se tkun tal-aħħar għal Crane Carrency f'pajjiżna. Kif l-ewwel linja ta' stampar bdiet taħdem u t-tieni waħda lesta biex tiġi installata.
The next major event that we have is September. We will be doing our grand opening. So today we are ribbon cutting for our printing facilities, which is the mass of also the employees that we've recruited today. We will be adding a customer experience center, which will have design as well as interactive displays of our technology, and then overseeing also the print lines. So really bringing the three components of our industry together.
Dan bit kabbir li Crane qed tippjana li tkompli tagħmel ma' żmien.
We will be starting to develop a design team here. We will have some of our administrative functions here as well for overall planning. We have not got to that phase yet, but we'll be looking at that probably sometime next year.
Il-Prim Ministru Joseph Muscat spjega kif kollox beda minn sempliċi email biex issa waħda mill-ikbar kumpaniji f'dan is-settur tinsab f'pajjiżna. Pajjiż li ilu f'din l-industrija għall-aħħar 40 sena.
The significance of this ceremony is not in the pictures that we will be taken, but in the livelihoods that our joint endeavor will support in the future. 300 quality jobs are being created alongside more than €100 million investment in the Maltese economy.
Il-Prim Ministru nnota kif il-Malta Enterprise kellha s-sena b'saħħitha fl-2017 bl-approvazzjoni ta' 20 proġett ta' investiment dirett barrani. Innota kif l-ewwel 3 kwarti tal-2017 is-settur tal-manifattura kiber bi 8.2%. L-uffiċjali ta' Crane Carrency ħatfu kull okkażjoni biex jirringrazzjaw lill-entitajiet u l-ħaddiema Maltin li kull ma jmur qed jikkonvinċuhom tal-investiment li qed iwettqu.
We're thrilled to be here. The people in Malta have been tremendous. We have a tremendous team. Our associates have been so hardworking to get us to the point that we're at today. And so we wouldn't be here without that.